Scion FRS over there. Got Marcio right here. So we're gonna do some doodles for his garage over here. There's a bunch of TRD logos there and old Toyota logos, but Marcio's car is yellow, so I don't want to do the black with the red and white or black with red and silver. So we're going to do black with red and gold. I think that'll be perfect. So first we got to spray all the nooks and crannies from the backside. I don't want to be taping this off or anything like that, so we're just gonna cheat. We're gonna go like this. Put a divider right there. Great. One coat so I don't have to mess with it again. And let's hope I did it right. I just started screwing it together and realized that I kind of messed up a little bit, didn't I? Forgot to paint the thing. Sacrificing his knees over here for a Slavic squat. Which knee was busted?
The right one.
This one? Yeah, so he's a firefighter, so he got a broken knee now, so let's go ahead and come up. But, oh, there we go. But we'll walk around the car and see what he's done to it now. Walk around this legend of the Chirohala Skyway with the 4th broken gear, beat racing Ferraris. Alright, so we got splitters.
Strong when it comes to it. You can stand on
there
it.
You go.
It don't handle like around 200-300 pounds.
And then we got some decent wheels on it. We got some shenanigans out back. TRD. We were gonna do this originally, but there's just all these pieces are separate, so I didn't know how we would even do it. Maybe we'll come up with something later. We got more splitters, more tints. Oh, and the more important part.
The biggest part about this car, the project, has been this little sticker right here. That little sticker right there is giving it almost double. A little bit more than double its power.
And 10 times the likelihood you'll break a gearbox?
Yeah, 10 times the likelihood that I'll break a 4th gear.
Alright, well let's pop that hood and see what's under it.
So the biggest part about this system really thought about the whole idea of autocrossing, racing settings, and they decided to go with the turbo on the back. So the turbo is like right behind here on the bottom. And it's...
you can't even find
it,
it,
you
right?
can't even see
You can see it, yeah.
So that helps push the heat downwards towards the back of the engine and not towards the front of the engine where usually people put their turbos and they have overheating problems. I have a stock radiator at the moment and I haven't had any kind of overheating problems yet. So we're about 6,000 to 7,000 miles with the turbo, beating it really hard, braking transmissions like crazy, and it's been nothing but reliable.
Cool. All right. To the total wine. I don't know if you can hear me. Get some brewskis. But I realized the trees and stuff are much nicer here, so we're setting up a little photo shoot. But let me flip the camera, I want to show you something. Better shot. I didn't want the sign right on the car because it looks too small. I'll probably play with the perspective, but I'm now barefoot because the sign is being held up by the flippy floppies.